guys, what's up? It's Savannah and I am back with a new video. It is my everyday makeup look that I have been doing for like the past month maybe. It's pretty basic and I like it that way. Let's get into it. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching my everyday makeup look. I pretty much wear this just about every single day unless there's like an occasion. But if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and put on the notification bell so you will be notified when my next video is up. And I hope you guys have a very, 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 very good day slash weekend slash week. I'm putting good vibes out there and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.